And now what happens is that you build the most important thing by a light year when it comes to creating a sale, especially for high ticket product, which is trust, which comes through a connection. 2/3 of the reason why someone buys is because of the vibe with you, the connection and feeling like they're comfortable with you. That is the win. That is the game, is getting social and engaging. Obviously providing value, that's your device, but it's essential to make sure they think you're a good person. It's everything. Because weak products that aren't polished, products that don't have positioning or brand awareness, still get sold when the proponent behind it is, is a connection that's earned the right to sell it. Conversely, spectacular products, and this happens more often, spectacular products never make it even to people to be bought because the connection's terrible. Great services, you see it all the time. Go and look at Facebook companies, there's all of them all over the place. Loads of company pages, it's faceless, there's no kind of brand, sure, but more important, there's no connection, there's no fun, there's no personality. One of the reasons why 115 weeks ago I started this live Q&A every week, and now on Instagram, now on YouTube, is simply because it's a way of conveying my philosophy on things, but also getting my personality out there. I'm not that good an actor, I don't think anyone is, to be able to sustain front or an inauthenticity or a pretend version of me for this amount of time. So this is really who I am. And I think when people get trust and familiarity around that, they move to a place where they want to buy from you. And there's positive reasons to be in the friend zone with someone. It's because then when you have something of value, they're going to go in your direction. And so many people in the past have said, I remember one in particular saying, Richard, I bought your X course instead of this person's course, and that person's some mad high-end, well-known celebrity in the space, but they bought from me because of that connection. So that's the main thing. That's the win every single time. And this is always a balance. This is really the real answer to most of these questions. It's always a balance. How much of you is willing to or able to spend time with as many people as possible? Because the more one-on-one you can do or something resembling that, the better.